Hail. So some of you might have seen I did a short tutorial a while ago for styling this announcement bar up here. And it was just for the text. And then it got me thinking, we have this really awesome new-ish selector, which is the parent selector, it's has. And we can do something really funky with this. So right now we have our unstyled green announcement, green text, right? So let's do unstyled is green. We're going to leave it at that. And what I'm going to do, so I want to select this element here. And I want to do background light green. Oh, now that's no good, right? Because it's not filling the entire thing. And we could just get rid of the borders and things, but that's no fun. So I am going to quickly add in a 1 pixel solid green border. And then I'm going to do something really cool. I'm going to put this whole thing here in a bracket. And then I'm going to add a has selector on it and a space. Oh, sorry, not a space there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the parent element here. And that's the SQS announcement bar text. Boom. Now I got a styled announcement bar, right? Cool. But we get a problem here. So when I set this to italic now, it changes one bit, but it's not changing the background. So our text is working. Cool. Let's do this as, so until the screen we've got covered. Let's copy this entire thing here. And we're going to do our italic. We're going to just add in our M here. We're going to add in a yellow. And we're going to add in an orange. That yellow is horrible. I do apologize. Maybe I can, what's a nicer default yellow? Light yellow. There we go. Or light golden rod yellow. That's a nicer one. Add in. So now I'm sure you've guessed what the last step is, and that is to tidy up our red. So the red, and let's do background as pink, and obviously nothing has changed because I need to go and do something important, and that is actually test it. Not the mobile announcement bar. I'm rushing. I need to head back over here, remove the italic, put the underline back in. Something is not working. This is why we always test things. So I'll go to my custom CSS, have a look at what I've got here. It's fine. PM. Oh, I've done it for PM, and it should be for P span. There we go. So head back. Let's test all three. Make sure everything is working where it's important. And again, this is ideal if you are, like some sort of creative, a photographer, a web designer like me, or branding person, or even the previous example, which was, service or server status if something is down. But anyway, let's look. So unstyled, we're green. Italics, we're yellow. And then we've got red. How cool is that? Hope you enjoyed. Hope it's useful. If it is, like, subscribe, all of that junk. Send me some coffee or send me examples of how you're using it. I'd really love to see how some of my tutorials are faring out there in the world. Hope this is helpful and enjoy.